Okay, so this is the answer for part C. Check your work. Do you need me to go through? No? Anybody? No. Okay, so this is the answer for part D. Check your work. All straightforward stuff, no tricks at all. Just be careful with your multiplication. Negative times negative gives you positive, positive, negative gives you negative, 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 positive, 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 positive. Should be very familiar with that already. Next, part E. 9a plus 10. If you find any mistakes, please let me know. And part F. Enyu, did you get most correct? Enyu, did you get most of it correct? Yes or no? Okay, done with all this? So let me just do it for you now, on the spot. Let me know if I make any mistakes. So because I have memorized that a plus b square equals to a square, have you memorized? Oh, then what is the next one? A square plus 2ab, then plus b square. Okay, very good. What about a minus b square? Okay, very good. And the last one, a square minus, we've got a plus b, a minus b. What does this give us? A square minus b square. Okay, very good. And I'll show you now how I can write down the answer immediately. The first one, 2x plus 1 square falls under the first case, a plus b square. So whatever is the first term, which is 2x, I'm going to square it. What do I have when I square it? 4x square plus 2 times of 2x times 1. That is 4x plus 1. So do I need to draw the rainbow? Do I need to do this? 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1. Then I do the multiply, 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 multiply. Do I need to? No need. If you have memorized it already, you don't have to do that. But even if you do it, you will still be correct. Now for the second one, we've got 25 minus 30x plus 9x squared. Very fast? Is it fast? Yeah, you can do it too. But don't make mistakes. And the last one, no need to expand. We will have 16x squared minus 49y squared. No working required. This is it. Do you want to be able to do this? Yes, you should want to do this. Then we've got more examples at the bottom. 4t plus 1 square. Okay, do it immediately. 16t square plus how much? 8t plus 1. Very good. Next, what is the first one? What do I write first? How much? 5n square? No. The first one, 6, right? So we square it, what do we get? 36. Plus or minus? Plus or minus? Minus how much? 60n. Then plus or minus? Plus 25n square. Okay, and the last one, what do we have? 121 q square minus 25p square. Okay, so exercise 9 done. Only 3 things for you to memorize, not difficult. Let's see how we can apply them. Okay, but first, copy these down. These are the special products of algebraic expressions. You can just copy this down. Copy down the common errors, yes? What do you mean? Why? A minus b square equals to a square minus b square. That one is wrong. Then the third mistake, common mistake, is that a minus b times a minus b, also a square minus b square, which is also wrong. Okay? Any questions? If you are confused by all these wrong ones, then you can just ignore it and make sure you get the correct ones correct. Okay? Any questions? If not, let's go on to the puzzles. Okay, I call these puzzles. Now we want to evaluate 198 square. We've all got calculators, right? So we can press 198 square and I get the answer 39204. What if I don't want to use a calculator? Then what will you do? Will you do this? 198 times 198, then you get 64, 6, and so on and so forth. Will you do that? Okay, that's one way to do it. Let me just show you another way. This way isn't necessarily faster, isn't easier, but it's just another way to do it, okay? 198. What if I can break it down to become 200? What should I write next? Minus 2 and then square. Okay, is this the same? Okay, do you know how to handle 200 minus 2 square? Isn't it of the form a minus b square, which you have already memorized to become a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? Okay, so can I expand this out using what we have already memorized? What should I write for the first number? 200 square, isn't it? How much is 200 square? Can we do it mentally? 40,000. Correct? This is 200 square. Then what should I write next? Okay, let me not skip a step first. Let me just write everything down. 200 square, then minus what? 2 times 200 multiplied by 2, and then what happens? Plus 2 square. Do you agree with this? Okay, it is correct. So next, 4,000, because it's so easy, 200 square is just 40,000. Then minus how much? What is this? Oh, it is 800 plus 4. Is this easy to solve? Yes, right? Okay, so 40,000 minus 800 will be 39,204. Agree? Okay, then use your calculator to test it out. Is it correct? Is it correct? Okay, yeah, it is correct. So is this method faster or slower, easier or more difficult? It is really up to you to decide. This is just showing you a way of handling 198 square. Okay, we are not going to test you on this. It's just, it's like I said, it's just like a puzzle for you to do. Okay, can we give some suggestions for this 30.5? What could we express this as? Okay, we know it's going to be a square, right? So 30.5, what do you want to express it as? 31 minus 0.5, okay, that's one option. But you do realize that eventually you will have to use, do this 31 square minus 2 times of 31, 0.5, blah, 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 right? 31 square, not so straightforward. Any other options that you have? 30 plus half, right? Okay, shall we try this? Let's see whether it is easy or not. So what does this give us? What is the first number? 30 square. Can we do it mentally already? 900, yes. And then plus or minus? Plus how much? 2 times of 30 and half. Plus or minus next? Plus how much? What's the last one? Half square. How much is that? 1/4. Okay. So 900 plus 30 is 930. 930 and a half. Oh, sorry, and 1/4. So 930.25. Okay? Hey, how come I use decimal? Is this algebra? Is there algebra here? No, there's no x, there's no y, there's no a, there's no b. So it's fine. I can use decimal. I can use mixed fraction if I want to. Okay. With these two done, can you think about 99 times 101? What would you like to use? Okay, so what do we have over here? 98 plus 1. Then what's next? Can I use 100 minus 1 and then plus 1. Why do I want to write it this way? Okay, we learned, the third one that we learned just now was a square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b. Is it the same form? Whether it's a plus b, a minus b, or a minus b, a plus b is the same lah. Right? Just like 3 times 2 is the same as 2 times 3. So now, what can we write next? This is equals to 100 square, then minus 1 square. Is that easy? What's 100 square? 10,000. Minus 1, how much is that? 9,999. You can use your calculator to check. Is that correct? Let me check. 99 times 101. Ah, yeah, it's correct. A plus b squared. What is the first thing you can do with it? What can we do with a plus b squared? Change it. The correct term is called expand. We expand it out. We remove the brackets and the square. So what do we have? A square plus 2ab then plus b square. Okay, do you know what is a square? Do you know? Yeah, we don't know what is a square. We don't know what is b square, but we do know that a square plus b square is equals to 10 according to the question, right? So what I've done over here is simply rearrange only. So this gives me 10 plus 2 times of AB. What's AB? 3. So answer 16. Okay, this one you try yourself. How long do you think you need? 1 minute. Okay. So we'll stop at 10:40. This is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then we look, we have a square plus b square again. This time you minus 2ab, so we get 10 minus 2 times of 3 to be 4. Okay, so even though I don't know the values of a, I don't know the value of b, I still can get the answer. And now part B. Okay, slight variation to the question. Okay, my clue over here is that a square minus b square is 22. So I know that a square minus b square is actually a plus b, a minus b. Okay, then let's see what I already have. Oh, this is actually 22. I have that already. A minus b is actually 2. I also have that. So logically, I must be able to find a plus b. Okay, I can choose to substitute the values in already. Or I can make a plus b the subject. So a square minus b square, that is 22, equals to a plus b, and a minus b being 2. A plus b must therefore be equals to 11. 3 lines. Part A. Part 1. A plus b square, that gives me a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is 10 plus 2 times of negative 3, which is 4. Correct? Okay. Next one. A square, so equal sign a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square plus b square, that's 10 again, minus 2 times of negative 3 to give me 16. Am I right? Am I right? And the last question. Okay. A square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. This is 22. A plus b, a minus b, that is negative half. So I multiply throughout by negative 2. You can choose to divide by negative half. I choose to multiply throughout by negative 2 to give me negative 44 equals to a plus b. So rearrange it, a plus b equals to negative 44. Simple? Okay, that's all for this part of the notes.